Yesterday, we left off with you guys thinking about what we can do with this light situation, since these copper pipes are right in the way. As you can see, I'm pretty committed here. But the reason we're so committed is because we can just throw in a slim LED up there. Look at that. We don't have to worry about replumbing. It's perfect. And of course, I had an electrician in my back pocket to come wire these up quick. Now that I have that kitchen sorted out, we can call Billy and he can come over and mud and texture it for us. And while I sort that out, we got to take care of this plumbing. Those shutoffs, as I mentioned in a couple episodes ago, they have to go. A lot of those multi-turn shutoffs are just not reliable, so we're going to install a quarter turn. And of course, we're not going to solder or use copper in that case. And that's simply because we have an amateur press. Not a pro press. We don't get to just push a button. We got to use our muscles for this one. So we're going to amateur press on a PEX adapter. There's a couple reasons I prefer PEX. Most important is I'm not going to get any pinhole leaks like you would with copper. It's also helpful that you can label the hot and cold with a red or blue. Of course, that's more of a liability thing for when you have electricians on. They know not to touch the red one because it might be hot. The last reason I install PEX when I can is it's just a lot easier to work with. This little piece here I'm going to install on that T right in the middle. That's for the dishwasher. And of course, we have to install a shutoff for that as well. In the next couple days, we're going to start tiling our bathrooms, and I think our Costco vanity should be coming any day too. And I think for tomorrow, we're going to do some priming and painting. All right, I think that's good enough for a Thursday. Happy Friday.